Okay, real quick, look at the heating system. Wood chips by Richard Farley, pumping into my apartment. We got a wood chip heater here. We got a barrel, which has wood chips in it with an auger. Here's the auger coming out this end, pumping some. And then you go down into another auger, which is feeding down into the fire pipe, which goes into a plenum. And that plenum hooks into my window. One is a return, one is pumping heat. And it is cranking the heat in there right now. Free heat with wood chips, baby. Gotta love it.